Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today, when I'm recording this video, it's January 1st of 2025, and I want to wish you a very blessed and beautiful 2025, and I hope you get very creative this year. And today I don't have a crochet video, but a bullet journal video. And years ago I made my first bullet journal, and well, I thought it would be convenient to start again in a new year. And well, this is one I bought years ago in a store that's called the HEMA in our country. And my first bullet journal was also in the same journal. And I want to use the things I have in my house first, so that's why I am using this one now. And I thought it would be nice to make a flip through and to show you what I'm putting in my bullet journal. And well, I don't think it's that very fancy because I didn't have that much time to make one, but I just get started and I'm a little bit rusty with drawing things, and my creative mind with things like this, I really need to spice it up a little bit. So it's not that very fancy or very beautiful, but I think it's convenient to have things in one journal. So I started with a welcome 2025, and as I'm gonna flip through, you can see it's in Dutch. I'm writing it in Dutch, so I will translate it when I'm flipping through it. So my first page is my goals for this year, and I want to write the goals I want to do this year, and I didn't have any yet, but it will be when this year passes by, so I'll make my goals. And I don't have a calendar with the birthdays of my family members, but I thought it would be nice to have it all in just one glance. So here are the birthdays, so with all the months. And then well, you called it a shark week or a menstrual tracker. So this is my Red Cross, I call it. And I'm gonna track when I'm having my cycles or menstruation. And that's what I'm gonna put in here. So all the dates on the left side, and on the top side all the months. And when did I last? And that's I want to track when I did things, so switch toothbrushes for me and my family members, when I clean my refrigerator or my freezer or the cupboards in my kitchen, or flipping the mattresses. And there will be more things down here, so I left a space over here so I can fill in when I think, oh, I just want to track this, what I did last. And I used washi tape here on the sides and in the middle. So I don't really have, well, just one thing I like. So I'm just trying to figure out what my, well, what I like in my bullet journal. And a year in pixels. And I thought it would be nice if I managed to make every day. I know I am, well, sometimes I'm very thrilled to start something and I don't finish it. So I hope I finish this year in pixels. And I have a great day, a good day, productive day, a normal day, a calm day, a stressed day, a bored day or a lazy or tired day, a sick day, and a terrible day. This is what I want to track this year. So I don't think I have much terrible days or sick days, but well, you never know. So I just want to track that on this page. This one is just blank, so I can always fill in something. I don't know right now what I want to track, but there's always a blank page, so I can put something on here. Then I just want to read my Bible more this year, and this is one I want to keep up with on these two pages. And I don't know if I'm just gonna write down which book I read, or maybe I just make some drawings with maybe Genesis 1 until, well, how many book Genesis has, but I don't know how to do it, but I'll figure it out when I'm reading my Bible, and I'm having more time to fill in my bullet journal. Then for my crochet projects, I just want to record what I'm doing. Sometimes I'm having a bigger project, so I need to track them down. So I was, well, years ago when my baby girl was born, well, that's 4 years ago. I started a blanket and still it's not finished. But it's nice to, well, I always think, well, I remember what kind of yarn I'm using or what kind of crochet hook I'm using, but I always forget. So I want to track it on these pages, so I can say blanket for my daughter, and then which crochet hook and which yarn, so I can track it down here. And I have a new page so I can make more when I'm having so much projects filled in here. And also using some washi tape with some letters on it. Really, really pretty. My favorite, cute, love this. This is it. And well, I have a lot of washi tape with it, which I didn't use for over a year, so I can use it in my bullet journal. And I didn't have time to make this page, but here I want to track down the books I read. Just want to go to the library and just well, pick some books, and then just I love to read, and I want to track that on these 2 pages, or maybe just 1 page. Maybe I'm making a bookcase where I put some books in it, and then just write down on the back of the book like this, you know, like this, and then just write down which book I've read. And then this is just for the whole year. I want to track things, and then per month I just want to track down some things too. So I made the January already, so every month will be another front like this. And then I just want to track the things I have to do monthly. So clean the oven, running the dishwasher to make it clean, so with nothing in it. And there will be more things, but I didn't came up with things spot on when I made my journal. So what the idea is that is if I did in January clean the oven and just go over here like I did do this task. And you can also take the post-its along to the next month. So I did here to do daily and to do weekly, and you can see here the part when I said done. So we already vacuumed or hoovered the house, so that's done for today. We need to, well, we did already do this declutter, and I have to do the litter box, and there will be more things, but I just didn't know what, because my head was very full with things, so I couldn't figure out what I need to do. But weekly, change the bed sheets and the shower cabin, we need to clean it, and there will be more things, but I'll fill it in when it comes into my mind, so we can just put it like right there when I'm done. And then I want to make a weekly menu. So this is just 1 week, and I really like to make a menu so I don't have to figure out every day what do we need to eat, so I don't have to go to the store every day to buy some groceries. So there are 2 days we are always eating the same. That's on Friday we are making homemade pizza, and on Sunday we are always making some soup with some bread and salads we put on the bread. And here I can just put on the groceries we need to buy. And I also have a little box over here what I want to do that week. So for this month it's 5 weeks, so I made the December, 2 days of December I also counted in. And I use some shimmer paint, and I don't know if I really like it, but you know, this is also something I can figure out what my style is. So it doesn't always have to be pretty, but I like to track things down and all have it in one book. So this is for 2 weeks, and then there's a purple. It's kind of dark, but my daughter really loved this color, so I put it in my journal. And then it's week 5. And the last thing for January, I have the goals for January. So I want to write down the goals I have for this month. And well, for January this is it. And maybe there will be more things I want to put in my journal, but these were the things I really wanted to have in my journal. So this is what I came up with. So for the next month, for February, I will be making a new drawing and new things I just want to put in my journal. So the rest of this journal will be filled along this year. But I really want to show you this. Maybe you like to do it. Maybe you are making your own bullet journal. Maybe you're doing it for years, or maybe you just liked starting it because you saw it in my video. And you know, there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just your journal, and you can make it as beautiful or as just functional as you want it. So this is what I want to show you, and I hope I can well, keep track on everything this year. And I think I will be doing a next bullet journal flip through for February, but this is just the 1st of January, so this is it for now. And I just want to wish you a very blessed day, and I hope to see you next video with, I think, something crochet stuff. So for now, just wish you a happy day, and see you next time. Bye bye.